how to log in, set up your profile, and notification. Welcome to this training video on setting up your child-friendly account and notifications. Start by locating the email from your center containing your temporary password. Navigate to the child-friendly login page and use this email and temporary password to first log in. Once logged in, the modules visible to you will depend on your role, such as room staff, center admin, or org admin. Click on your name to begin. If applicable, your hours are displayed in the My Hours section. You can view your hours at any time by scrolling through the month. To customize your notifications, click on the Settings option. You can set in-app notifications for incident reports, medication updates, learning updates, and event reminders. Mobile push notifications allow you to set your notification preferences for messages from family members, urgent messages, and other items on your device. For detailed instructions on setting up mobile push notifications, please watch the related training video. In the messaging notification section, you can turn on or off options like message alerts and cross-center notifications. Adjust notifications individually or all at once. Any changes you make will be automatically saved. Remember to change your temporary password. Click on Change Password, enter your current password, and then set a new one. After confirming the new password, click Submit. Your password will be updated and you're all set. Be sure to continue your training by watching other videos specific to your center role. If you're on a shared device, don't forget to log out.